Namaste children. Now we move for the next question, question number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So this is one method of statement question. So in the previous class in exercise 1.1 we learned some statement questions. There we did HCF, but in this question we need to do LCM. How will you identify whether we need to do LCM or HCF? Let me explain you. In this question, this question number 3. So you can see here he is asking the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Here we did HCF. Why we did HCF? There is a separation concept. So what is separation? 616 members, we are dividing them into different columns. Here also 32 members, we are making them into different columns. When there is a separation concept, you need to do HCF. But in this question, there is no separation. So they are running. So once you remind how will you play athletics. So this is closely related to the concept of athletics. So here Ravi and Sonia are running at the same point, in the same direction, at the same time. But they will meet. Do you think they will cover same distance? No. Maybe Ravi covers more distance, Sonia covers less distance. Number of rounds Sonia takes is less and Ravi is more maybe, but they will meet at a certain point. What is happening here? To meet, they have to go on they have to run and run until they meet. Means multiple concept is there here. So because there is a multiple concept, as you know that LCM is bigger than HCF. So we need to do LCM in this case. So what are the two numbers involved here? 18 minutes and 12 minutes. 18, how will you write prime factorization? You can do in any method here. 18, 2 into 3 square. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. So what is LCM of 18 and 12? As you already said, prime factorization method. 2 into which is the highest power? 2, that is 2 square. In 3, highest power is 2, that is 3 square. So 4 into 9, that is 36 minutes. So Sonia and Ravi will meet again at the starting point after 36 minutes. Still, if you have any doubts in detail, let me explain again. So you can just 36 minutes if you divide by 18. So who have taken 18 minutes? Sonia takes 18 minutes to complete. So 36 divided by 18. So how many rounds she might have done? 18 twos are 36. So Sonia takes 2 rounds. And 36 divided by 12. So Ravi took 12 minutes. 36 divided by 12, that is 3 rounds. So Sonia makes 2 rounds and Ravi makes 3 rounds, but they will meet at the same point. So this is how we use LCM concept to understand our daily life examples. Thank you, children.